In this video, I would like to look at prepositions of time. In, on, and at. In regards to time, we use the word in for months, years, and parts of a day. We use the word on for specific days and dates. And we use the word at for specific times. Example: in July, on Monday, at 5 p.m. For the preposition in, we use it with months, years, centuries, and long periods. Let's take a look at some examples. I was born in July. She moved to London in 2020. They met in the summer. The company was founded in the 19th century. We usually go on vacation in December. He started school in the morning. It often rains in the spring. My birthday is in September. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. We use the preposition on for specific days and dates. For example, we have class on Monday. The party is on Friday night. He was born on July 10th. They got married on Valentine's Day. I don't work on weekends. She left on Christmas Eve. We met on my first day of school. The concert is on November 3rd. He always visits his grandmother on Sundays. For the preposition at, we use with specific times and parts of the day, like night, noon, midnight. Let's take a look at some examples. The meeting starts at 9 a.m. We usually eat dinner at 7:30. I wake up at 6 every day. The movie begins at noon. She goes to bed at midnight. The train arrives at 3:15 p.m. He studies best at night. Let's meet at lunchtime. Don't forget to click subscribe and also click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. You want to keep learning English with me? Let's get back to the lesson. Now I would like to test you to see if you know which word belongs in each sentence. Let's begin. She gets up early the morning. She gets up early the morning. The correct answer is in. She gets up early in the morning. The party is July. The party is July. The correct answer is in. The party is in July. The meeting is 8:30 a.m. The meeting is 8:30 a.m. The correct answer is at. The meeting is at 8:30 a.m. We will go Monday. We will go Monday. The correct answer is on. We will go on Monday. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabbinit. He was born 2021. He was born 2021. The correct answer is in. He was born in 2021. The little boy gets scared night. The little boy gets scared night. The correct answer is at. The little boy gets scared at night. We go to the beach the weekends. We go to the beach the weekends. The correct answer is on. We go to the beach on the weekends. They always get together Christmas Day. They always get together Christmas Day. The correct answer is on. They always get together on Christmas Day. The bell will ring noon. The bell will ring noon. The correct answer is at. The bell will ring at noon. I will keep making videos like this so you can learn even more. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for learning English with me. You're so smart and you're amazing. Ciao, my favorite babanitos.